Hello, good morning everybody, dear students and the viewers. You all are welcome in my English class. I am with you. I am Abul Hussain, assistant teacher English, Dutashari Secondary School, Silmari Dulpur, Kushtia. Dear students, I am going to teach you today an important class. You know, our school is remain closed because of COVID-19 coronavirus. So, dear students, though our school is remain closed, we can't lag behind at all. So, dear students, I will teach you an important topics, and our today's lesson title is transformation of sentence. So, at first, you should know what is transformation of sentence. Transformation of sentence means the changing form of the sentence, not the changing of the meaning. So, you have to know it correctly and properly, dear students. For your well understanding, I am telling in Bangla. ট্রান্সফরমেশন সেন্টেন্স হলো বাক্যের রূপের পরিবর্তন, এর কোনো অর্থগত দিক থেকে পরিবর্তন নয়। তোমাদেরকে পরীক্ষায় এগুলো এরকম প্রশ্নের অ্যান্সার করতে হয়। আমরা ইংলিশ সেকেন্ড পেপারে এই প্রশ্নটা পরীক্ষায় আসে। তো ইউ হ্যাভ টু আনসার অ্যান্ড ইউ হ্যাভ টু নো দ্য রুলস হাউ টু চেঞ্জ সেন্টেন্সেস ফ্রম one to another form, that is assertive to negative or affirmative to negative. So let's know the rules at first, okay? Dear students, today at first we will learn, if you find a sentence that is affirmative or assertive in this way: subject, main verb and object or expression. So how will you transform or change? And this technique is affirmative to negative. At first you will use subject, then auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, then V1 or main verb base form of the present form and object. Such as, let's see the example. In affirmative sentence, I like an apple. So what will be the negative? Negative sentence is I do not dislike an apple. Dear friends, look at the board. Here I use do not, that is auxiliary verb, because this sentence is the sentence of present tense, and present tense, if you find any sentence of this tense, you have to use to do negative do not or doesn't. After I, do not is used, and I have also used here the opposite word of the like, dislike. So I said you before, there will be no change of meaning. There will be the change only the form of the sentence. This is the transformation of sentence. So remind this. In this way, you have to change affirmative to negative. Another rule: when you will find in affirmative sentence subject, be verb, adjective. So how will you change from affirmative to negative? Such as, man is mortal. Man is mortal. So what will be the negative? Anyone can say, sometimes students may mistake here and they may tell man is not mortal, only they use all not. So this is not correct. So what will be the correct sentence? The correct sentence will be, man is not immortal. Yes, I have used here after is, not, and the opposite word of the word mortal, and the opposite word of the word mortal is immortal. The Bengali meaning of the sentence, man is mortal, manush moronshil. তাই নাকি? Yes. and man is not, আমরা যদি এমন ব্যাপার করতাম ম্যান ইজ নট মর্টাল, তাহলে মানুষ মরণশীল নয় তাই হলো, তাহলে তো টোটালি মিথ্যা, এটা সত্য হলো না। সুতরাং আমাদের বাস্তবের সাথে কোনো মিল নেই। আসলে কথাটা হলো মানুষ মরণশীল, এটাকে আমরা একটু চেঞ্জ করে বলতে পারি, ফর্মে চেঞ্জ করে যে ম্যান ইজ নট ইমর্টাল, মানুষ অমরণশীল নয়, দ্যাট ইজ মানুষ মরণশীল। সো ইন দিস ওয়ে ইউ হ্যাভ টু চেঞ্জ or you have to transform the sentences when you will find beaver, and beaver may be changed. Here in this sentence you find beaver is, in another sentences you may find was, were, okay, no problem. In this way you have to solve the problems. Dear students, if you find any sentence in affirmative, must, such as we must die, means আমরা অবশ্যই মরব। So how will you change or transform the sentence? When you find the word must, you have to use cannot but. Instead of must, you have to use cannot but. We cannot but, then after must what will be, you have to use that word or words. We cannot but die. So what is the Bengali meaning? আমরা অবশ্যই মরবো, and negative আমরা না মরে পারবো না বা আমাদের মরতে হবে এরকম। অর্থাৎ আমাদের অর্থের কোনো মানে পরিবর্তন না রেখে, আমরা না করে আমরা শুধুমাত্র চেঞ্জ করবো তার ফর্মে, এটার নাম হচ্ছে ট্রান্সফরমেশন সেন্টেন্স। ওকে, we can do it in another way. Instead of cannot but, you can also use cannot help, but remain, if you use cannot help, after cannot help you have to use cannot help. After cannot help you have to use the ing form of the verb. Okay, let's see another example. Tarin must help her mom. How will you do it since from affirmative to negative? You can use also Tarin cannot helping her mother. Helping her mom or mother. I have used mom, okay. Dear students, cannot help helping. Sometimes you may doubt or you may some questions. After helping will be used, yes. This is the rule. Cannot help with another verb, ing will be added. So remind it, you should not forget it, and you have to practice it more. So what is the Bengali meaning? তারিন অবশ্যই তার মাকে সাহায্য করবে, আর তারিন তার মাকে সাহায্য না করে পারে না। ওকে, সো ইন দিস ওয়ে ইউ হ্যাভ টু ট্রান্সফর্ম দ্য সেন্টেন্স when you will find such types of sentence, and if you asked to transform or change the sentence, you have to do in this way. Dear students, in the same way we can do, or we can learn another rule. If you find such type of sentence in affirmative, Rita is both a player and a writer. রিতা একজন খেলোয়াড় এবং একজন লেখকও, উভয় তার দুইটা গুণই রয়েছে। If you ask to change affirmative to negative, how will you do? You have to do in this way, using not only but also. Rita is not only a player but also a writer. So what is the meaning? রিতা শুধু একজন খেলোয়াড় নয়, একজন লেখকও. So dear students, in this way you have to change or transform the sentences. I think you will practice it more in your home. So dear students, there is no doubt, because you have to know, you know that all that without practicing you cannot be perfect. There is a proverb, practice makes seven perfect. Did you memorize it? Have you remembered it? Yes. So you have to practice it at your home, dear students. I am giving some your home task or homework. So look at the board and note down at your khata, and you have to practice. Homework. Affirmative sentence. I will give you affirmative, but you have to change into negative. 1. Taskin is a good player and a good student. You have to do negative. Then Mina must come today. So you will do it at your home. So dear students, there are many rules of changing sentence from affirmative to negative, and you will practice it. In the next class we will learn about this lesson. Thank you very much for watching this lesson and this class. That's all. Bye.